Over the years, we've definitely seen a lot of birds, but I have no clue what this one is over here.
That's a female cardinal right there. But what the hell is that thing? You scared me into a different shirt. I guess that means it's time to start the vlog. Oh crap!
Too early for this.
Oh, come on now. Let's go.
Healthy start.
It's a beautiful day. I mean, it's... Listen to these brakes. And they're wet and they crunch like crazy.
That's how you know they're working.
Don't you know about the bird when everybody knows that the bird is aware of where the bird.
Never been out professionally birding before with a group. This guy's got a lot of boxes on his land. Lots of boxes over here. I'm trying to do this. I don't know how it would work. When in doubt, film through the binocular. I think there's 2 bluebirds on the ground next to those squirrels. Yeah, there he is, right there. See him? Right in the ground. Just pointing at birds and pretending like I know stuff. It's mostly the sound.
Yeah. Oh, there it is, right up there. You see that?
What's that?
The red,
Oh, the black thing?
Yeah, with red wings. Red-winged blackbird.
Want to get a vlog on with that? Jesus.
Hey, Jim. That's him. Oh, yeah. Totally, that's a white-throated sparrow. There's a beautiful Tully over here. He's got red eyes.
We kind of blend in pretty good.
All I'm hearing is a T.
I think that's him right there in the middle. Nice looking bench from the Eagle Scouts. Huh? Really good job. Impressive.
There's a Tully on the ground. And it likes this scratch. Yeah, they really miss this. They miss this.
He came out of a vernal pool.
He's frozen now.
He's walked a long way.
Yep.
The poor guy.
Red one that's
And where is he heading for? Find water?
He's just going to wander around, eat insects and things through the forest.
And then I'll go back to the water.
And then he'll go back to the water eventually and become aquatic for the rest of his life.
their tail, they'll change shape. Their tails get more fin-like.
Oh.
This way.
Oh.
And they'll turn
A
gray.
red Eft, E-F-T.
Does he get a lot bigger?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think I used to see him up in the
I've seen some of these guys, they're only about 1.5 inches long, you know, really tiny.
They called it the little house. That's where the little farm,
The working farm.
Yeah.
That's where the hired hand lived.
Oh, really? Oh.
And, you know, the garage on this end, it was, and even the guy I bought the house from, the son of the people who farmed it, he lived there when he got married for a few years. I mean, it was a nice little...
So was your house the farmhouse then? Or?
Yeah. It's only about 120 years old. It's
Well,
nice.
and that foundation, that was the
That was a gorgeous barn. It's too bad they didn't keep the roof on that. It was a drive-in barn from the other side. It was a beautiful barn.
What about that one over there? What are those two?
Red-tailed hawks.
Oh, okay.
Birds. They probably have a nest somewhere because they're nesting now. The peregrines are nesting too. That's probably from Sleeping Giant.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, for him to go from Sleeping Giant to here
There's nothing, yeah.
is, yeah.
Ooh, look, a nice cardinal.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Yeah, I know the basics. I know cardinal, oriole, blue jay, the ones that are different colors. But you know, you got that little titmouse up there. Just because I said mouse, don't get crazy, dog. All right, I know. I always feel like this is the cat's television. He's always watching it, like.
It's true.
Yeah, look, he's doing it right now. Yeah, you can see his head just jerking all over about and stuff. But I wanted to show you guys my favorite creature of all.
Yeah, here he comes.
No, I have a picture of him before. I mean, I have a video, so please enjoy. Now, isn't he a majestic creature? Look at him. Yeah, he's right facing towards us now.
Wow.
He's taunting us. What a majestic creature. Look at him go. Black squirrel. Grandma doesn't like him though. It's a nuisance. Oh, but he's holding strong. Oh, there he goes.
I'm eating all my bird seeds.
Don't need to go out. We got the full show here.